Welcome to ROAV Perfect classes. Today's topic is what is a Python? Python is a general purpose and high level programming language. It is an interactive, object oriented scripting language. This language is designed in such a way that written coding could easily read and understand. It is created and designed in 1991 by Guido van Rossum under the Python Software Foundation, but it was designed in last years in 1980 decade, and its work actually started in December 1989. After this, Python 3.0 is introduced in 3rd December 2008 after a long period, but it was not compatible with Python 2.x. In January 1st, 2018, Python 2.7 is announced retired. Now it is not maintained. In this, we use white spaces instead of curly braces for code blocks. It has a big standard library. It's stressed on code readability in design view. Its syntax is very clear and its standard library is big and comprehensive. Python is pre-installed in Linux system. It is used in scripting language or non-scripting language. It is available for many operating systems. So we can say that Python is a popular programming language and it's used for web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting purpose. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notifications related to this language.